Hello class, today we're going to be making our own fossils and they'll look something like this at the end. Fossils are typically made when objects like a plant or animal gets covered in silt and it sits over a long period of time and then the silt dries and hardens. Our fossils today are only going to take a half an hour, but typically they would take thousands of years.
The materials we're going to use today are plaster of Paris, water, vegetable oil, a mixing bowl, some leaves, measuring cups, a plastic spoon, and a container such as a styrofoam tray or a covered cooking dish. First, we're going to take the vegetable oil and we're going to use just a little bit, about a capful, to coat both the container and the leaves. And we can use a paper towel or our hands to do this. It is a little bit messy. We do this so that the plaster doesn't stick to the leaves or the bottom of the container. Next, we're going to take about 1.5 cups of plaster and about 1 cup of water. We're going to combine them in the mixing bowl. Now we're going to take our plastic spoon and we're going to stir it, and hopefully we can get all the lumps out. We'll want it nice and smooth. Once it's all mixed, we're going to slowly pour it into the container. And I didn't quite get all the lumps out, so I'm just going to have to stir it just a little bit more. Now, we're going to take our leaves and place them gently into the plaster any way we choose. For the best impression, try to lay them as flat as you can. We're going to let them set now for 30 minutes for the plaster to dry. After the plaster has dried, we will carefully remove the leaves. Once the leaves have been removed, you should have an impression that looks like this. Congratulations, you have made your own fossils.